Santosh, respected sisters, respected Principal Mr. Sabu Atikal, staff members, and my dear students. Did you like the program today? Yeah, I hope this is the last program you are attending. I am addressing class 12 as a group, as a class, your last time attending this program, and this is for yours day, my dear students. It is a very happy day that you are here for many years. Some may be 15 years, some may be 14 years, some may be 10 years, some may be less than 10 years. But I remember how these children, small children, come to the school. The parents bring them nursery, LKG, UKG, and how the teachers take care of them. And now when I see class 12 children are going back from here, this institution, is a great joy for us. Any factory, we have those who have done commerce, we know we have raw material coming, and different stages the final products are prepared, and there are different people are there, different departments are there, they are helping, missionaries are there, and finally they packed and sent. That is the final product, and I hope this is not the final product we are sending, and we are not saying goodbye to you, because this is a phase where there is a transition from class 12 to another stage of your life, maybe your studies, maybe your business, maybe your life, whichever you choose. Therefore, I said this is a great day for you all, especially class 12 students. And it is, if you look back, there are so many things happened in your life. This is the place where you spend a lot of time other than your home. Most of the time you spend in this campus, maybe playing, maybe studying, maybe acting on the stage, maybe doing mischief. As I was hearing that Zoha, Ibra, and Akshit, they were telling different things about you, that what the life you had here, and you move on to another life. Therefore, when you look back, we feel very happy that you have achieved this, and now you are ready to move out from this campus, from this school, from this classroom, because now we cannot keep you anymore, because class 11 children are knocking the door. Therefore, you have to go out from here. Therefore, we are very happy today, and by seeing you grown up, boys and girls, and very difficult to make out who is the teacher, who is the student, but only we can make out through teachers have uniform. That's why our principal has told them, come with the uniform, otherwise you will be confused who is teacher and who is a student. We cannot make out. You are grown up today. And I like to remind you that we must remember three groups of people. Always I tell this class 12 student. One is your parents. The parents are the who sacrifice this, and they are the one who, when you are small, they held your hand and they might have carried you to your classroom. And every day they prepared you, dressing up, preparing your tiffin, or whatever books you are supposed to bring, and after all taking care of you. Until today they are taking care of you. Therefore you must remember for their sacrifice and their time, precious time they are giving and looking after you. Always to remember your parents. Because most of you may be moving out from class 12, once you finish your class 12, maybe for studies or maybe business. Therefore, remember your parents always. The second group you must remember is your teachers. You know, if you imagine how you came in this institution as a small child, didn't know how to speak, how to communicate with others, how to socialize with others, how to sing, how to talk, and how to write. And these are some of the maybe nursery, LKG, UKG teachers have held your hand and your pencil and taught you how to write ABCD or Kaka Gaga or to sing. And from there you have now grown spiritually, physically, socially, intellectually. In all the fields you have grown. That's why the principal is arranged here some award for function, whichever field you are excelled. That does not mean others are not good. All are good. Few are selected in the group. Therefore, they have given award. But you have grown physically, intellectually, socially, and spiritually also. Somebody, like he said, you learn your simplicity and the values which you learn, and definitely you are going to practice. Therefore, these are taught by your teachers. Not only they taught in the classroom the completed syllabus, but other than they have built the character, values, whichever they taught you in the moral science, and otherwise, whenever they met you, whenever they had interacted with you, definitely some of the teachers inspired you, and definitely you will remember them. Different teachers, and therefore you must thank them. Let us clap them, all the teachers those who taught you, the principal. Some teachers are here, some have gone out, sisters, principals, and teachers. We remember them. Third group is your own companions. This is the maybe last time you are as a group, you are coming together, class 12, and after that you will be busy for your studies. Immediate your attention will be board exam. So I wish you all you do well in your board exam. That is the one of the dream of your parents, that you do well in your board exam. So there are very few days you concentrate on the studies and do well. And this is the stepping stone for you. Wherever you go, they ask class 12th results, how much you scored, how much you have done. Therefore, take it very seriously and do it. That will turn your life. So this is the important phase of your life, I said. Therefore, your companions, please remember them. That's why they are given a group photo to remember that who were there in your classroom. Maybe 30 years, 40 years, you may forget, but at least by seeing the photo, you will remember. Now, this is the time of communication and technology. Very easily you can communicate with them through your WhatsApp group or a telephone or different ways. It is very easy. But olden times it was very difficult. Therefore, that photo which reminds you that these are my classmate, colleague, and friend, or with whom we fought, we had mischief. Therefore, you please remember your friends. Sometimes they may be helpful in your life. Sometimes they may be your companions afterwards also. Maybe business partners or maybe working together. And some may not meet you at all. Like I left my schooling 45 years back. I never met my companions other than one or two, but some they in contact touch with me. Therefore, you also be in touch with one another, and that's a great joy for you that you study together, play together in the labs, you had experiment together, you fought together, and all that you dance together and a different activities you remember. That reminds you. That is therefore you must remember your companions. I want to remind you, so far you had a golden time, very good life. You had no worries. Everything was ready-made. Your parents or your teacher dictated notes, prepared you, parents prepared you, companions helped you. Everything went on well. But now, when you go out from this institution, everything will be different. Life is very, very challenging. Other day, I was hearing the election speech in Delhi. They are telling 70 crores people, youth are unemployed. That means you also join with them. Therefore, it is a very, very challenging time when you go out. Do well. Sometimes you fail, but don't worry. There is a success. You heard Thomas Alva Edison. He failed more than 300 times to prepare that electric bulb. But he took it positively that how to make that electrical bulb, and 300 times or more than that he, though he went wrong, but he took it positively. This is not the way or preparing the, but he finally succeeded. Therefore, don't worry about the failures and go ahead. Don't worry, the challenges will come. And that time you remember your teachers, all those who are taught, and remember all the seniors who help you. Therefore, that will help you. Failures is a maybe stepping stone for your success. So work hard and achieve a great height. I expect some of you will become IAS officers, some may be IPS, some may like UPSC, they will crack the UPSC. Some officers will become maybe some doctors, some engineers, some may be successful businessmen. So when you are reaching that stage, please remember the people, those who are working under you. Please take care of them. Suppose you are near whole district, there are so many needy people, help them. Or doctor, so many sick people come to you, help them. Or whoever, whichever post you are, maybe company CEO. Now I expect that you reach that height and you bring name to our institution. And I said that we don't say goodbye. It is the next phase of life we go. It is only farewell to you, class 12 student. Anytime you can come back. Anytime you come to this campus, this is your alma mater. This is the where you studied. This is the way you learned something. This is the way you played. These are the classroom where you sat and intellectually you have grown. Therefore, your teachers will be there to help you. If if these teachers are not there, there may be some other teachers. If this principal is not there, some other principal, somebody will be there. Please come anytime, meet them, and have a good opinion about your teachers, good opinion of your school, wherever you go, you speak good. Somebody said, this is the time to forgive and forget. Whatever bad things happen or somebody has hurt you, it's not they hurt you, that they want you to do well. They love you more, that's why maybe they have corrected you. A different way of doing. Therefore, this management, thank you for your achievement and do well, and always you can come back anytime and enjoy the old memories. And I said, the memories, the time you spend is a very golden time. It will not come back, but this will help you, whatever memories, whatever things you learn from this institution, from your teachers, principal, sisters, that will definitely help you. Whenever that old student come and meet me or meet us, they tell that what good thing we learned. Therefore, you always speak positive about your teachers, positive about your institution, positive about your classmates or colleagues. So I wish you all the best immediately for your board exam. All the best, and also for your future life. May God bless you all.